वैसे आपकी कोई लव लैंग्वेज है?
Sweetheart, I got one. I'm not talking about that.
Fair.
Yeah. Fair. Okay.
Never let nobody with no motion try to hold me. I'm an OG, and that's the old me, the way I'm sitting.
Like, are you kidding me? We're in the business of you don't reveal yourself.
एक्चुअली मैंने ऐसे नहीं सोचा था.
That I was playing, but I hit another level.
What the hell was the last 45 minutes?
Another level. Ay, hit another level. Finna hit another level. Gotta hit another level.
Bas karo.
Another level.
This is probably my last podcast.
Another level. Ay, hit another level.
Uncomfortability, इसी को कहते हैं.
Why?
Ay, hit another level.
Hello Ali, welcome to Men's XP.
Hi, thank you for having me.
How are you?
I'm good. I've had a lovely shoot.
Hmm.
I think I like to think.
Hmm.
We'll find out when the photos come out, but we've done some very interesting, very different looks. And yeah, and I just marveling at the fact that this place has turned into your
Yeah,
Uh,
in my
podcast.
studio. Yes.
Studio.
Yes, that is
Yeah.
true. Very quick turnaround.
yeah.
वैसे how many coffees in a day do you have?
I have a coffee problem.
Yeah.
I think 4-5 cups. I think
तो आपको वैसे नहीं होता जैसे बोलते हैं कि 8 hours before you have to sleep you should cut down on your coffee intake otherwise it messes up with your sleep.
Yeah, I think I usually do.
Hmm.
But on shoots, I think everything goes for a toss.
Fair enough.
Like I'll probably like throw in a cigarette somewhere and this coffee. It just yeah.
Fair enough. वैसे when you were little, did you ever imagine that your life would be like this? Just got done with a photo shoot, now you're sitting, your coffee's here and you're sitting, you're having an interview, probably tomorrow is as packed or something different, then you're traveling, going to international film
Are
festivals.
you kidding me? No, not at all.
Oh.
My life was mapped out like very differently.
Hmm.
I thought maybe like mechanical engineering or like I was obsessed with biology, so I always thought I'll go into medicine.
Hmm.
I had like dreams of John Hopkins.
Wow.
And I was studying actively for that. And then just somehow I was convinced not to go into medicine, and I took up economics, and sure, a great subject. But, like a science guy, suddenly that's a big change for anybody who's doing sciences will understand.
Yeah.
That, suddenly from medicine you go, so you become like a rabbit in front of a car, you don't know what is about to hit you. So yeah, then I think I was like a bit aimless, but I did my bachelor's in eco math. Yeah,
And you went to Doon school.
I was in Doon. Yeah.
You do know ना कि बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे pop cultural way में relevant है Doon school. People call it one of the most fanciest schools in India.
I don't know about fancy, but I think it's a very, very thoughtful education.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why thoughtful?
In the sense that it actively, keeps you away from aristocracy of any kind. So there are certain things that we don't do, like even, and nobody talks about that because Doon School, of course, has this little, कि वो flair है और fancy है और ये वो.
True.
Actually, you don't have all those rich man sports there. It's a boarding school. We learn, apart from the studies, of course, you end up playing a lot of sports. You're climbing mountains, expeditions. You are making your own things. Like I would have probably made a table like this very easily. Yeah.
Wow.
I was good at woodwork. There's metalworks. There's mental health clubs. There are different kinds of lots of things. There's like a holistic approach. Which sadly, when you step out in the world, and I mean the first stepping out for people, and I think kids would know this, the first stepping out happens when you hit ICSE.
True.
From the confines of your school, right?
Yeah.
That's the taste of the world you get.
Yeah.
कि भाई यहाँ तो मैं hero था, suddenly
यहाँ
now
पे
I'm
zero.
like I have to, ratto.
हाँ.
And you manage. ICSE, like, I'm sure people, it's easy. But then comes the big one, right? Grade 11.
Yeah.
Not 12. ISC is like a piece of, like a walk. But if you skip, like a science guy would know what I'm talking about,
Yeah.
right? Like the major studies happen
In grade 11.
in grade 11.
Yeah.
And you miss that because छुट्टियां
मस्ती
होती
कर रहे
हैं,
होते हो.
मस्ती हो रही होती है,
हाँ.
post boards, like you don't wanna,
Yeah.
everybody goes late to school.
Yeah.
But yeah, it even बहुत काफी सादगी है. हमारे जो कल ही मैं सॉन्ग बुक पढ़ रहा था, तो टैगोर साहब के, इकबाल साहब के और कबीर साहब के, उनके सबके वो सॉन्ग्स हैं विच वी वुड सिंग इन द असेंबली. लब पे आती है दुआ वाज अ मंडे. घूंघट घूंघट के पट खोलो. God, it was hilarious. I can't believe we sang all the songs, you know, and it was beautiful. But then, yeah, we had a dinner dress which was like kurta pajamas, white kurta pajama, or if you don't have a kurta pajama that day, then you wear a white shirt and a
very
white,
classic.
yeah, with just basic. तो 7 साल भूखे थे बस. यही था. Anyway.
And what kind of student were you? आप शरारती थे, आप स्टूडियस थे, आप वो थे जिसके पास सारे लोग आते थे कि प्रॉब्लम हो गई है तो अब बचा लो.
नहीं, but हाँ, I could listen to people. तो हाँ, I was maybe like the dear Diana, but not the solver, I think. I was very heavy into sports. So you know, when you're into sports, like you're part of a gang, right? It
True.
becomes a thing.
Stud also.
Yeah, so it's kind of like, okay, then फिर क्या था? I think class 10th was the first time I tasted, because I broke my arm, my shoulder. So then suddenly there was a sweet little very hippie kind of a family that was visiting. Now Doon School is an all boys school. तो वो एक बहुत ही torrid affair बोलेंगे या क्या होगा, you know, I think at the time I'd really fallen in love with this girl on campus, and it was classic. It was like one of those things you dream of, right? Like, okay, you're lying down on the field listening to Beatles, you're being introduced to the Beatles for the first time. You're like, oh, that's A Hard Day's Night playing, or you know, all the Yellow Submarine and all these songs, and you're ducking everyone because it's like teachers are there, boys are there, and everybody's eyes on you. That's how I did. They were performing a Shakespeare ka play.
Oh, which one?
The Tempest.
Ah, nice.
So to impress करने के चक्कर में, and of course I had broken my arm. I was like, मतलब ठीक है, अंग्रेजी ठीक ठाक है तुम्हारी, तू कर ले भाई. My friends were telling me. I think they used to. I was very depressed because I thought I had a career in basketball and hockey.
And then you got an injury.
Yeah, you know, that's like another story, which I think I've spoken about so many times, which I feel like मेरे दिमाग में इतना boring हो गया है वो कहानी. But yeah, that's how, you know, stuff opens up. Just crazy, like, yeah. But it's funny what you do, right, to impress people. Like,
Absolutely.
yeah, I was a triple jumper, so you know, you have to like, you jump, hop, skip, and then so I think the you get one trial jump, and I had किसी ने बोल दिया था, मुझे सिखाया था, my master थे वो, he was a big time runner in his, he said, you know, you should try cycling in the air, because obviously cycling in the air kind of increases your span. So I tried it for the first time. I don't know why, in a competition, in the athletics competition, in the trial jump, and so this spike has gone here. But of course वहाँ लड़कियाँ खड़ी हैं, you know, and my potential girlfriend at the time. So this scar is happening. Everybody's like, dude, bhai खून निकल रहा है. I was like, bruh, you know, like, I got this shit, man. I got this, you know, and I'm dying inside. I'm dying. I think Jai Singh Talwar came first, and he, of course, he's my formmate or my classmate, and he was really good. I came second. I still came second. I remember at the time. But
वो हुई impress या नहीं हुई?
I don't know about that, but मरहम लगाने लगे थे तो I mean, my job was done. There was some, like, you know, emotion happening. So it was cool. You know, it worked out. I still have that battle scar.
Nice. Sometimes some scars have such nice memories.
And yeah.
बहुत ही oddly उन पे नजर चली जाती है, and suddenly you're reminded of a very, very different time.
Yeah, scars, smells,
Yes.
like, you know, yeah, so many things. We love talking about ourselves. Now, like, if I flip the script and I ask you the same questions, you would answer these questions, right?
Yeah.
Like, in detail.
Yeah.
And you would think about them.
Yes.
Interesting. Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, okay.
You were born in Delhi.
Yeah.
But raised in Lucknow.
Yeah.
And then Doon School.
Yeah. So school, I studied in Lamartine, Lucknow. And then Doon only starts from class 7th and 8th.
Right.
I joined in 8th. Actually, 7th is the main joining. 8th, they only take like few boys more. So I came late, actually. But yeah.
Did that help you in making friends or not making friends? Because
No.
कभी-कभी जब late batch start करते हैं तो फिर
That's it. They don't take anybody after.
अच्छा
So there are a bunch of new people coming, and I have
Hmm.
very like amazing friendships that have lasted
Hmm.
probably the longest.
till now.
I don't have like I have to think when people ask me कि इंडस्ट्री में कौन है आपके friends.
हाँ.
तो मुझे सोचना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
You know, एक beat लेता हूँ मैं.
Hmm.
हैं अच्छे लोग हैं, काफी अच्छे दोस्त हैं, but you know, school friends is school friends.
I think वो वाली दोस्ती अलग होती है, especially with so much history. You have
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much context in your
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
And ये actually मैंने किसी दूसरे वे में recently realize करी थी. I went on a date and I was just thinking in the back of my head that whether or not I pursue this, I was just thinking that how do I give this person so much context of, you know, like 29
Yeah.
years of my life मैं कैसे बताऊंगी इसको कभी
Yeah,
भी?
yeah, yeah.
And on the other hand, when I talk to my friends, I just feel like I don't have to tell them anything because they've lived it with me.
Also now I think I feel lazy like starting a new friendship.
Yeah.
Like it's like it's a lot of investment, you
Very,
know.
very taxing.
Yeah. It's but no, dude, please find the right way to sum up a date, man. You can't like have that excuse and be like that it didn't work out, man, because I couldn't sum myself up.
That is true. That is true.
But you don't have to sum up yourself. Like life पड़ी है ना उसके लिए.
Hmm.
A guy who's looking for a sum up
Yeah, probably then he's not
is
the right guy.
probably not the right guy, because then
Yeah.
he's like checking something off. Like he's got a list here. Like,
That's true. And I'm a girl, not ChatGPT. So
ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
thanks. Ali Fazal approved.
Yeah.
What
I'm
is the
glad.
sweetest, cutest, cringest thing you've done to impress apart from missing a 3-pointer?
Oh man, I don't know if it's cringe, but I've done it very cliche. Like with Richa only.
Huh?
Yeah, I got my friend who's like this A-class chef and all. I probably could not have afforded her back then. And I somehow got the keys to her apartment and I entered. I said, "Tu set up kar le." And we were both like, you know, Richa was of course, you know, yeah, मतलब मैं बहुत hand to mouth रहता था उस वक्त. So, you know, Richa was like, okay, everything
little
was
more,
हाँ, so
हाँ.
that was the plan. That the plan was कि मेरे घर पे मैं ये करूँगा. And now I remember
हाँ.
my friend only came. She says, बेटा नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं चाहे जितना setup कर लूँ तुम्हारे घर में, nobody will get impressed by this. So I said, okay. Then the quest began to find Richa's apartment's keys. Of course, from her only. So through some जुगाड़ की नहीं वो कुछ सफाई वफाई होनी है or something like that. She used to be in Andheri, Versova side somewhere. And I let them in. And they were doing all the stuff. I played like Lady in Red.
Wow.
Like the table is set up and you know, like a 5-course meal. And I think I got 2-3 courses totally wrong, but she told me years later. But like, yeah, it was very like, मतलब रोज तक रखा था उस पे कि
Wow.
मैं दूर से देख रहा था और मैं अंदर मर रहा था. Pardon me, because I was like, ये बहुत गलत है. But then I was like, dude, you know, like let's
काफी
not
सही
take
है.
chances.
Yeah. आप खुद से
Yeah.
impress हुए उस moment में क्या यार? वैसे तो काफी cool चीज कर दी है मैंने.
Yeah, I was like,
ना?
yeah. Because I also played it that way, ना. Like थोड़ा सा बढ़ा चढ़ा के बताया मैंने कि इटली से आए हैं शेफ वेफ और मतलब कुछ तलवारें बोल रहा हूँ, सॉरी, नाइफ्स.
ये कौन सा कोर्स मिला जो तलवार से खाते हैं?
No, they were
Back
really
to
fancy
Victorian
knives,
Abdul.
yeah.
हाँ.
She like तो yeah, I don't know what story I must have made up, but it worked, man. Yeah.
So were you always this romantic? आजकल के टाइम पे तो देखो ऐसा कोई नहीं करेगा. ये हम सुन फिक्शन की तरह सुन रही हूँ मैं इसको.
No, please, come on. Don't discount. I think people are really, like, really romantic these days.
Give me one live example you
They
know.
literally carry it in their hands, man. Like, their phones are riddled with, वो cover पे भी मतलब there's some, oh my god. they नेत्रा पीछे बैठी हुई है.
दिखाओ cover
She's
दिखाओ.
one full on, like, I bet you have a very fancy cover right now. Okay, that's like cute, not fancy right now. But, you know, usually she has all these tikkalams. Her charger's got like these cute little butterflies. And I think there's indulgence in like wanting to express yourself in some way, but also, I'm just saying in general, that, yeah, people take themselves seriously.
Yeah,
Yeah,
little too seriously, I think.
Yeah, I don't know. But I also feel like the last decade now, we've pumped in this thing that just find your vulnerable self and open yourself up, and you know, men cry and it's okay to cry, and I think वहाँ कुछ एक गड़बड़ हो रहा है, उल्टा हो रहा है थोड़ा सा.
क्योंकि I think
Not that it's bad,
hmm,
but like men are not the same as women, and
Yeah.
the same the other way. So
and I think उन लोगों को vulnerable होना सिखा दिया है कि open your heart and lay
But
out your insecurities,
फिर है
but
नहीं
उसका
कोई ना।
क्या करो वो नहीं सिखाया
हाँ, मतलब फिर वो रोते हुए चल रहा है।
और वो open wounds के साथ घूम रहे हैं और यहाँ infections हो रहे हैं और दूसरों को भी infect कर रहे हैं, which is a very weird analogy, but ठीक है।
Ooh, interesting. But
हाँ।
yeah, okay, I see.
हाँ,
Yeah,
कुछ तो प्रेम रोग टाइप फैल रहा है।
yeah.
हाँ, या
But
फिर
तगड़ा वाला
anti-प्रेम
प्रेम
रोग।
चल रहा है आजकल भी, मतलब ऐसा
हाँ।
है।
मेरे को
Which is
लग-
also scary. Like
हम्म,
10 years back that used to happen, or like 20 years back you would see
I
like
think उस टाइम पे it was beautiful and simple.
वो हमेशा nostalgia looks beautiful.
ये
Yeah,
तो है।
yeah.
हाँ,
Kids today will grow up and will be like,
true.
You
कि
know?
हमारे टाइम पे Instagram
Yeah.
पे मैसेज करना was so beautiful और
yeah.
हम कह रहे हैं कि खत लिखना was so beautiful.
Yeah, like apparently now you can't call somebody, man, directly.
Yeah, they take
Why is that?
offense.
Why is that offensive?
I have no idea.
Like I just want to pick up the call
Yeah.
because I don't want to sit like texting.
Yeah. And waiting for the other person, you have a thing, you just call them.
Yeah. But see, we're doing the same thing now, which I see a lot of people kind of dissing like Gen Z
Ah,
stuff.
Fair.
And I like
Oh
respect
my
some
god,
stuff.
am I
man.
becoming my parents?
Yeah.
Damn.
We become what we hate. I'm kidding. Just we become.
मेरे को फ्रेंड्स की वो लाइन याद आती है जिसमें रेचल ग्रीन कहती है कि आपने देखा है फ्रेंड्स?
Yeah.
तो उसमें वो कहती है कि आई वाज सो वरीड दैट आई विल बिकम माय मदर, आई एंड अप बिकमिंग माय फादर. And I just feel like, yeah, that happens to so many people.
Oh, yeah, interesting.
Deep, na?
Yeah.
If you could,
Yeah.
let's say, take a pick, okay, you can choose कि आप किस पे जाओगे, mom पे या dad पे, who would you pick?
Oh man, I mean, I don't know. My mom, obviously.
Yeah?
Yeah, any day.
Kyun?
Yeah. Not that I don't. I mean, sons and dads, there's always a tikram. There's always like a.
कोई tussle तो रहती है उनके बीच में.
Always. But that's how it's. I think it's in the design. Like you and I talking about it here will not change the world, or give people insights into that part because that is like, it's almost like written in the DNA.
Yeah.
We go around looking for our mothers in our partners, and
Yeah.
it's the other way around for women. So
Yeah. That is true.
Yeah, like a version, and
बहुत complicated relationship होती है, especially fathers and sons की. मैंने तो सिर्फ क्लोज क्वार्टर्स में अपने भाई को देखा है अपने डैड के साथ, तो मैं उनको कभी कभी एनालाइज करती हूँ और मैं देखती हूँ और बहुत डिफरेंट है द वे दैट माय फादर बिहेव्स विद मी एंड द वे दैट ही बिहेव्स एंड रिएक्ट्स टू सर्टेन सिचुएशंस दैट माय ब्रदर इज इन. इट इज सो डिफरेंट.
nice, interesting. I feel like nothing actually. Interesting. Okay, next.
बता.
No, I was thinking as an actor, like yeah, like what then? What after? I
Yeah.
always think I shouldn't maybe think this out loud, but like what after the traumas, right?
True.
Everybody has that. You go through that. Sometimes, and not these days, sorry, I don't want to sound like an uncle, but like we generally we love sharing our despair because it brings us closer to the next person.
Yeah.
Right? Or you want to share your trauma in a group of people so that if somebody sympathizes with you, it kind of makes you feel like
Comforted.
comforted,
Seen, heard.
but why and if not that, then what is I think my big question, right? Like if I were to not what is the outlet, what is the natural outlet that we are given by God?
Yeah. I think
I don't know.
crying.
Yeah, but we always, like, people want a sounding board, you want some trigger, you want some stimulus, right?
True.
Like we've been conditioned to share or find that thing that can help us just like
Yeah.
you know
Let loose.
yeah. But I think at a point in expression you reach where you don't want to dive into your past
Yeah.
to pick things out. उसके आगे मुझे लगता है बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग एक एवोल्यूशन लर्किंग सा है. आई डोंट नो द आंसर येट.
बट बहुत सारे साइकोलॉजिस्ट ये कहते हैं कि यू कांट वर्क ऑन योर फ्यूचर और योर प्रेजेंट विदाउट addressing, acknowledging and finishing things from your past.
Yeah,
वो रहता ही
which
है.
means to say you live in the present,
Yeah.
right? And to be able to live in the present is like even get rid of muscle memory of things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is difficult. आप सोचते हो अपने चाइल्डहुड के बारे में काफी ऐसे बैठ के कभी याद आती हैं? When was the last time nostalgia hit you?
I think we're always looking for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You always look for like, something that's familiar, no? You close your eyes and suddenly you'll be like, you feel lost,
Yeah.
right? You know that this table is here. It makes you feel comforted.
Yeah.
You know that your couch is in the same place the next morning. So that's life, right? That's it. Yeah. Of course I think about it. Yeah.
आपने साइंस ली हुई थी, आपको इंटरेस्ट भी था, यू हैड ड्रीम्स ऑफ गोइंग टू जॉन हॉपकिंस आल्सो बिकॉज आई कैन इमेजिन व्हाई. ये कैसे, ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ?
बस वहीं शेक्सपियर से शुरू हो गया.
प्लेस.
Plays started in school. Yeah, then I just then you start realizing like I was it's like in retrospect when you look back you think, oh okay, I was set up for this.
Yeah.
From day one. It's a setup and that's it. You can't like you keep bumping into this side and that side and you think you're going to go that way and that way and it's cute, but I think you're set up. I like to think you're set up. I also like to think there's, you can make a difference in your life and enrich it or whatever way. But plays hote rahe, then cinema happened in Bombay. Because I came to college, even then I did a few plays because I was too busy studying. My syllabus here was hard. Adjusting in Bombay was hard. So all those things. Yeah.
अब एडजस्ट हो गया बॉम्बे से?
Yeah, it's a home. And college, having done college here, it just suddenly becomes home.
Yeah.
I miss town side more, South Bombay. Sorry for all of the people who don't know. But yeah, it's been.
उस टाइम पे आप शुरू में were you influenced by Bollywood a lot?
No.
नहीं?
No. I think it's my naivety towards and sometimes I curse myself also for not knowing and sometimes acting like मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि किसका दर्जा कितना ऊपर है नीचे है. I didn't know how, much. I was exposed to a lot of world cinema very early in my life. So yeah, just I think with experience I started learning. Yeah.
पहली याद है फिल्म कौन सी देखी थी which left an impact on you? हिंदी सिनेमा?
हिंदी में?
हाँ.
अरे बहुत है यार. मैं मुगले आजम I think. Yeah. मुगले आजम और नुक्कड़ एक सीरीज आता था. हाँ, सईद साहब का, सईद अख्तर मिर्जा का. एंड weirdly he turned out to be my first director.
Wow.
My first film was with him, which वो आज भी FTI में पड़ी हुई है. मैंने भी नहीं देखी है, मेरे ख्याल से उन्होंने भी नहीं देखी है. तो yeah.
Life is beautiful like that. Sometimes it gives you moments which you feel like wow, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? Cinematic like that.
Yeah. Cinema is like it's like life, na? It's memory. You choose the best parts.
Yeah.
And summate it and keep it. Some come out, some don't come out, some flop, some resonate, some don't resonate. Yeah.
That is true. मेरे को इससे हमेशा करीना कपूर की वो वाली स्टेटमेंट याद आती है. She was talking about how 2 movies changed her life. And she was doing them around the same time. One was Jab We Met, one was Tashan. She thought Jab We Met will change her life because she did not think it would be a commercial success at that time. And Tashan will change her career because she thought she's going size 0 and but the opposite happened.
Yeah.
Jab We Met went on to change her career and Tashan changed her life because she met Saif Ali Khan and the rest is history. So I just feel like life can be so surprising and beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. I agree.
पता है मैंने आपकी पहली चीज क्या देखी थी? I remember the first piece of content I saw which had you was Bang Baja Barat. That series that you did. I loved it. And अभी भी पता है बहुत सारे लोगों को सीरीज के बारे में नहीं पता.
It's too funny यार. But
And
it was an experiment.
But it was so good.
Yeah, I think YRF के साथ कुछ उस वक्त था. Yeah, they had done this 1.5 hour things. It was just like a clocking 1.5 hours in total. And 15 parts episode.
It was amazing. और किसी ने नहीं देखे तो I think I would recommend all of them to go back and watch because एक तो very different Ali Fazal in that. And also you've donned so many hats. It's very like एक buffet लगा हुआ है. When even I'm talking to you right now, I don't know which वो to pull right now. Okay, अभी हम गुड्डू भैया को बुलाएं या फिर अभी हम किसी और को बुलाएं. So there's so much and such diverse things that you've done. But that has to be one of the most hilarious, funny, relatable उस time पे things to watch.
Yeah, I think there was no concept of like a this kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So Anand Tiwari directed it, I remember.
Hmm.
And Gajraj ji was there. And
Hmm.
yeah, it was really cool. It was very cool. मजा आया था.
Nice.
Yeah.
विक्टोरिया अब्दुल का मेरे को वो याद है कि आई थिंक आप किसी इंटरव्यू में ही बात कर रहे थे दैट यू गॉट टू रीड दोज लेटर्स
Yeah.
बिकॉज वो उर्दू में लिखे हुए थे and वो शायद उन लोगों ने डिस्कार्ड नहीं करे थे.
Yeah. They hadn't. Not me. The writer Shrabani
Hmm.
Basu. She found those letters, and she
Hmm.
then she derived the entire story of Abdul Karim from there.
Hmm.
He spent 15 years with the Queen, like teaching her all those things. Because I'd seen her handwritings and her
Hmm.
letters to him when every time he used to leave London.
Hmm.
It was just unreal.
Does it have a personal impact on you when you pick up such roles so rich in history and reality as well?
Yeah. It's beautiful because you understand that these are real people who existed, right? You can't wipe that out. And that's why we had to go back. Unfortunately, there's not much in history books on him. So we actually mathematically like figured out that itne medals is photo mein hai. That means he must have reached this rank. He started at this. What was the journey we found through the letters? Then there was another diary of his lying in Pakistan somewhere
Wow.
with some part of his family, which Shrabani went and found, and then some families in India, and he's buried alone in Agra somewhere. So very conflicted life because his folks here thought कि ये तो उनका हो गया है. और वहाँ पे जैसे ही Queen died, they threw him out because it was a shitstorm in the British royal family कि ये बंदा इंडिया से आके यहाँ पे खेल गया है. So वो कहीं का नहीं रहा बेचारा.
ना इधर का ना उधर का. Sad.
Yeah.
It actually reminded me of another story that you only shared about your grandfather who had a book, who would keep a book under his pillow.
Oh God, that was this
What
one-
was that about?
No, there was this one context in something. It just, there was, I think, somebody he knew very well. And she had written a book. Yeah, like a book of poetry or something. So he just wanted to keep her next to him. That's it. Yeah.
That's quite romantic. Does romance run in your family?
No.
Are all men in your family that romantic?
Oh my God. No. I mean, maybe. Yes, I shouldn't say. Yeah. They'll probably, somebody from the family will watch and be like, ये क्या बोल रहा है यार?
बट ये तो अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट ही है. मतलब आई थिंक मेरे पापा को तो अच्छा ही फील होगा अगर मैं बोलूंगी कि आप रोमांटिक हो.
नहीं भाई.
नहीं.
मतलब मेरे फादर तो नहीं है ऐसे कोई रोमांटिक. Yeah. He's good at other things, I'm sure. Yeah. I mean,
वो आपके साथ स्ट्रिक्ट होते थे बचपन में?
Yeah.
डांट पड़ी है?
सबको पड़ी है.
मार पड़ी है?
उनसे नहीं पड़ी है.
ओके, मॉम से?
या नहीं, एक्चुअली माय नानी.
नानी?
Yeah.
नानी तो बहुत प्यार करती है.
नहीं वो मतलब she was all shades.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Do you feel secure in life now?
Yeah, I
Yeah?
do. I do much more secure. I think especially after I found my partner, and then again recently we've had a lovely daughter. So I think all those things really ground you. Yeah, because you have your own unit, so that gives you a little, I guess, some version of like family.
How did you fall in love with your wife?
I mean, you can't quantify that. You can't that's the wrong word. Like you can't put a pin on it, right?
Fair enough.
Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah.
But like, was it? I won't call it love at first sight because I personally don't believe in the concept. एक बार में प्यार तो कैसे ही हो जाएगा. But was it attraction at first sight, or
Yeah.
did it develop over a period of time, meetings, just getting to know her and just feeling like, wow, she's perfect?
Yeah, I mean, it was total admiration and like I was smitten. I was just smitten. I still haven't seen anybody like switch like that and breathe like that on camera. I think the way her brain works and her thought processes, her unpredictability, the fact that she's nothing like me, and yet there's just something that keeps us. I mean, touch wood.
So when you say she's nothing like you, how are the two of you apart?
You'll have to have her in this. Like I can't speak for both of us.
True, but you
Yeah.
can share your experience.
My experience is I'm in love, man. Like I'm sorry, like it's as bizarre and beautiful as that, and that's it. Like
पता
I don't
चलता
have
है
tips
लड़कों
on it, or I don't have like scenes की देखो ये हुआ,
हम्म,
यहाँ से यहाँ गया, मैंने यहाँ पे ये बोला,
हम्म।
और फिर
पता चलता है लड़कों को when they are actively falling in love, or is it just so?
of course,
Yeah,
it's like the books, the movies, man. Like it's
I think आप
your
झूठ बोल रहे हो.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. Your hormones go crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah. But it's natural, right? Like it's when you look at somebody you love, like y- it's such a misleading emotion also, right? Because when you're in love with that particular person, uh, everything about that person is beautiful,
true.
right? So it's very contextual,
Hmm.
right? I'm sure 20,000 people are in love, man,
Hmm.
and be in love at least once, twice, how many ever times, yeah. And the human being is also designed to be able to
Yeah.
fall in love.
Have you been heartbroken in life?
Yeah.
How have you processed it?
Uh, uh, yeah. We do things.
Like what?
Just man, like
कोई सही गलत तो है ही नहीं तरीका
तो
प्रोसेस
बस
करने का.
मतलब यार मैं क्या बोलूं, like just lot of partying, man.
पार्टी
Yeah,
दो
I
तीन
guess.
तरीके होते हैं, या तो पार्टी करते हो, ड्रिंक करते हो, या फिर बहुत ज्यादा सैड गाने सुनते हो और अपने उसमें वॉलो करते हो. वो भी रोमांटिसाइज करते हैं बहुत सारे लोग.
नहीं.
या फिर एक हो फेज आता है, उसमें चले जाते हैं बहुत सारे लोग. कुछ बाहर ही नहीं आ पाते, उससे कुछ आ जाते हैं. तो there are different ways. Or some people dive into career.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of ways you can deal
Yeah.
with it. Yeah. But you always get out. Yeah, there's no, yeah.
वैसे जब आप दोनों की लड़ाई होती है, who says sorry first in a fight? Who
Again,
cheats
I'm not
first?
going to talk about that. What the hell?
वो भी नहीं.
No.
Usually तो
What
सारे
if
लड़के
there's an
छूटते ही
answer?
बोलते हैं मैं.
नहीं, what if there's an answer where अगर वो आंसर दिख गया विजुअल मीडियम पे कहीं, तो बाद में मेरे पॉइंट्स कट जाएंगे.
कौन कर रहा है?
तो फ्यूचर फाइट्स में मेरा बोल दिया मैंने, सॉरी, बट फ्यूचर फाइट्स में देन वन लूजेस लेवरेज.
So do partners keep score आपस में?
No.
नहीं.
No. But in the cosmic,
Cosmic universe.
Yeah,
Hmm.
the gibberish of this cosmic world, somewhere you have to.
Yeah.
I mean, you are being like,
Evaluated, watched.
yeah.
You believe that?
Yeah, hell yeah.
You believe in
I believe in
destiny?
aliens.
You believe in aliens?
Yeah, man.
Let's talk about that.
Sure.
Why? How come?
Because they have to be. And they are. And they've been spotted.
But वहाँ पे
कहाँ पे?
एरिया कौन सा एरिया
51?
51.
That's his old news.
तो फिर कहाँ
So many
spot हुआ?
places. They're there. Like, it's like amongst us.
I've read a lot of stuff around Kailash Parbat.
Yeah, could be there also. Yeah. There are beings who have lasted longer than their normal, like, span of years. I believe that. I like to believe that.
Why do you like to believe that?
Well, because I think we are all very, confined to a reality that we have just constructed, and a large part of it is because of the linearity of time. And that just literally keeps us very one worldly,
Yeah.
But the moment you remove that, आपका पूरा 360 हिल जाएगा. That's it.
जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि मैट्रिक्स में फंसे हुए लोग.
I mean, sure, yeah, you can call it that.
Hmm.
But yeah, I mean, look at animals, man. Their frequencies are much higher than us.
Yeah.
So we don't even have to go further. Forget the space and ऊपर, आप नीचे चले जाइए. We still haven't discovered underwater.
I think 95% of it we haven't
Yeah.
discovered. More than that, probably.
That's where the next UFOs will come out of. Actually,
Wow.
you'll be surprised.
I'm very fascinated by
है ना?
underwater theories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The end of the world
Yes.
is coming.
You should do a movie like that. I'll definitely watch.
Oh man, I'd love to. है ना?
बहुत crazy
Yeah.
होगी.
It's a documentary. I'll do it.
Done. Sold.
Okay.
Next project.
Next.
ठीक है. So we were talking about you and Richa, your beautiful wife. So, how long have you guys been married?
What other adjective would you use if not beautiful?
For Richa, intelligent, sassy.
Okay.
I love her vocabulary. I love the way that she carries herself. Super confident. I think she has a lot of
Just one,
gravitas.
just one.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
I do really admire her. I just like the way that she is. Why?
Sassy. I like sassy.
Sassy she is.
Yeah.
अब आपको पता चल गया mercurial का मतलब?
Shit, man. ये सर्च किया था मैंने यार.
सर्च किया था ना, लड़ाई में उन्होंने शायद यूज किया
हाँ.
था.
बहुत होते हैं ऐसे. My God. Can't stand it.
वैसे आपकी कोई लव लैंग्वेज है?
Uh,
कॉन्सेप्ट पता है?
oh yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
There are 5 languages in which a person
Oh.
expresses love. ठीक है. एक होती है
Sweetheart, I got one.
या
I'm not talking about that, man. It's definitely not a language I use. That's it, dude.
ठीक है, fair.
Yeah, fair. Okay.
वैसे do you have a favorite film of hers?
Oh man. I think Masan, like it was her film. Like it was just you can't top that performance. Yeah. Gangs also. Yeah, Madam Chief Minister. A lot of, I mean, of course, she's done like,
उनको आपकी कोई पसंद है?
I don't know.
Maybe
you'll have to
something
ask
that
her.
you talk about. Do you talk about the work that you do? Do you talk
No.
about work in
No.
general?
No, now we do because we're producing,
Hmm.
but then it's potential work. So, not about our work. Yeah,
Not
I think.
about things that you guys have done in the past or something that you've
No.
enjoyed watching of each other.
No. But like when sometimes I have like screen tests for anything like in the English language, then she really helps me. Yeah. Or even when she does, actually, once in a while I've managed to help out. But yeah.
Lovely. वैसे आपने जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स अपने प्ले करे हैं, which character did you think has had the most impact from whatever you've managed to see and absorb within the audience?
Impact on the audience.
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, I guess Mirzapur, because it blew out of proportion.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nobody expected it the way it did.
True.
Yeah.
But I don't blame anybody because I think it is one of the most interesting, entertaining shows out there.
Yeah, it is. And I think we're making a big social
Movie.
experiment by creating the movie.
Yeah.
We've already shot it. So, yeah, it's coming in September.
Very Peaky Blinders feel.
Yeah. And it's the first time in India that's happening. So,
Yeah.
fingers crossed. I hope people come.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Yeah.
I think I had a really lovely time shooting it. Just going back to season 1
Yeah.
cast, everybody was together. So yeah, it's a fun film, and it's a film that remains like on its own. If people for whoever who's not watched Mirzapur, it's a standalone film, so you won't miss you won't feel like you've seen something weird. Yeah.
आपका कोई पर्सनल फेवरेट डायलॉग है इस पूरी सीरीज का? लोगों के तो बहुत सारे हैं अलग अलग.
नहीं मेरा
नहीं?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
कोई एक सीन जिसको करके अलग मजे आ गए, या फिर फनी लगा, या फिर चैलेंजिंग लगा?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we've done 3 seasons of that, so
Fair.
it is like when it's like life only. What I was saying, na, that you just have to think back on those seasons. They literally are like memories because it's just the perfect spots that you've picked up. But there have been those moments where scenes like with Shweta. I remember one scene where I'm sitting on the bed. It's a very serious scene, and I just had a very weird out-of-body experience. Yeah, I never had that in my life.
Wow.
And I never thought in that scene, matlab, you would think some hardcore indie film ke hardcore director or team or script or falana dimka mein aapka ye moment hoga. But it happened in the middle of Mirzapur season 2. I found myself sitting somewhere on top, just looking at everybody. It was bizarre. Yeah.
Wow. आपने वैसे इस पूरी जैसे बहुत सारे एक्टर्स को सीजन में आगे क्या होगा वो रीडिंग्स के टाइम पे पता चलता है. सो लॉट ऑफ टाइम दोज टेबल रीड्स बिकम वेरी exciting and full of emotion because you're also just finding out what happens.
Yeah.
So have you had certain moments while doing those script reads where you were like, "Hey, shit."
Oh yeah. I think for a bunch of days, weeks, I didn't speak to Guru because season 3 there was a part where, man, I'm like brutally, violently just killing somebody, which I thought was at the time I thought it was unnecessary, and I think really I got disturbed by it. Yeah.
And आपको पहले शायद मुन्ना भैया का role they were considering you for.
Yeah, but it's not nice now when I think of it ना. और शायद मुझसे गलती हो गई, मुझे ऐसा कहना नहीं चाहिए था, if I may have said, because it looks bad for the other actor, right? Like if somebody says, "Oh, but I got Guddu first," but then
Okay, fair.
So I'm just thinking from the other perspective, it might land wrong.
Hmm.
And so, yeah.
But I think the way it landed
think they
was
had-
just people imagining you both swapping roles.
But I think people have
which
done
was-
that, you know,
Huh.
like even with Devendu, he's been asked, I'm sure, you know, that
Yeah.
if he had played Guddu, and he would have played it brilliantly, I'm sure. Like,
I'm sure
and
both
very
of you would have done
differently.
justice to that. But now,
Yeah.
having seen both of you in your own roles, I think can't imagine it. Otherwise, don't want to also.
Yeah.
Memes देखे आपने अपने शो के?
Yeah.
कोई उनमें से फेवरेट मीम है आपका?
नहीं.
नहीं. आपको मीम्स देख के हंसी आती
बिल्कुल
है,
नहीं.
गुस्सा
हाँ,
आता है.
हंसी बहुत आती है,
हंसी
but
आती
just my God. सारे मेरे दोस्त ही भेजते रहते हैं मुझे, मेरे ही मीम्स भेजते रहते हैं. So it's just, yeah, every day I have to see.
Nice. I think one of your most iconic roles. Another one was, I think, Joy Lobo. I think that also created a lot of impact.
Oh,
I
yeah,
don't know
yeah,
if you
yeah.
उस time पे आपको
Yeah, I didn't
realize
realize
हुआ
then,
होगा,
but I
but
think, yeah, it really did.
I mean, so many people. I remember I had gone to watch that film with my friend, and she ended up crying. And I have known so many people who have, gone to engineering colleges, and they've suffered through certain moments, and it just became so heavy but relatable. It was almost like cathartic.
I mean, it was relatable.
Yeah.
I think that's when it hits you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you feel about the work that you've done? Do you feel proud of yourself?
I like to now, I think, I should be.
Yeah.
But because there's always been this imposter syndrome, which a lot of people I think go through. But yeah, there's a lots to do. I just keep thinking time is running out. You know,
Time is running out for what? To do more work or to prove a point?
Leave right now.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. No, yeah, to do more work.
mean.
No, I'm kidding. I'm sorry. Yeah, because I think you can tell so much. I already find myself divided between India and the stuff that little stuff that I'm doing outside. And in that I find myself very conflicted. तो मैं बहुत चीज़ें यहाँ नहीं कर पाता हूँ the way I want to. And then we, stepped into production. Again, we're very new, just one film old. But we have plans, and we're working already on like 2-3 things. So I just, I want to sit and be locked up and just do good work.
When you're doing international projects, does it sink in that moment? Do you go with the, I don't know, with
No, I think it's excitement.
Yeah.
That at least now I have the rest of the world also I can share this with.
Yeah.
It's fun, like sharing notes with another, colorful actor. Whatever color. I don't know, but like actors. Yeah. So it's quite interesting. You also see different worldviews. Sorry. Yeah.
Fair enough. Have you had a chance to meet somebody that you've deeply admired?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Who?
Sorry, but for all the people who don't know, it's a person called Al Pacino.
Ooh, everybody knows.
Dude, trust me, there are people now who don't know, and I'm like, there's a world where some kids don't know who Al Pacino is, right? Like,
they are lucky because they have so much to watch.
Yeah,
and know about him.
There's him. There's so many people. I think a lot of people. Yeah.
कैसी थी आपकी interaction Al Pacino के साथ?
Just very quick. I was at the premiere for Irishman.
हाँ.
His last big one with Scorsese, and so met him there. It was very sweet. I was working on Death on the Nile at the time, I think, with Kenneth Branagh. So Kenneth Branagh again, who's my director, but also somebody I've really looked up to. Michael Gambon. He passed away 2 years ago, 1 year ago, I think. Yeah, these were like, they're all legends.
Legends.
Yeah.
When you meet somebody like an Al Pacino, or even, जैसे Hindi film industry maybe there are so many people who are called legends, and for right reasons. What do you say? How do you have that conversation?
In India?
In India, abroad, wherever.
Oh, like that?
Just when you're standing in front of somebody that you've admired for, itne time se.
You just admire. Yeah. Somebody told me this. Richard Gere told me this. He said, you shouldn't feel shy. Just walk up, tell them what you're doing, because we guys, we love hearing that, we love to appreciate, like, and hear what you're doing when you walk up to us. And I was like, okay, I'll just start doing that, man. And it was really sweet because I told him about what I was doing, working with Kenneth, at the time. And then he had a story about him, and he was like, oh, please give my love, and blah, blah, blah. And I think you're in great hands,
Mm.
and both are like very Shakespearean actors because they've both done lots of stage,
Yeah.
and big fans of Shakespeare themselves.
Mm.
So I really hope one day I get to do perform a play there maybe.
I think with your filmography, it won't be far. We've seen you do really crazy stuff, from Fast 7 to Victoria and Abdul to Death on the Nile.
I know, but there's just so much work happening. Like I'm so excited about Hamlet.
Mm.
Riz Ahmed's this year it's coming out. Sheba Chadda's in it.
Mm.
So I really like. I'm totally championing her.
Mm.
Yeah, we're really excited.
So cinema does excite you. I see
Yeah. We're
such
all
a big smile on your face when you're talking about movies.
yeah. It's like life, man. It's meditation
Do you feel like it helps you zone out?
all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll find me in a movie hall sitting alone, just like zen. Yeah.
कोई moods हैं जिसके हिसाब से आप movies देखते हो? For example, if you're feeling sad on a day, how does Ali Fazal recover?
Oh, then
From a
there's
bad
a lot
day.
of like self-talk and a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it come naturally, or is this something that you've developed because you've now understood who you are and what works for you?
I mean, nobody's understood who they are, right? Like, because every day life is handing you curveballs.
Hmm.
So you're just like ducking and moving around and maneuvering. Some days I can't. It's hard. I'm sure it's hard for you as well,
Yeah,
right? Like, yeah.
a lot of days.
What do you do?
Do
Do you have a sweet tooth?
No, I don't. Thank
Oh,
God.
shit. Then what do you do?
I cry, actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Fair. Okay, good.
Yeah, I let the emotions out because I feel like कि जितना bottle up करके रखते हो, then it comes out very unreasonably in a moment that does not warrant that kind of a reaction.
But do you ever find like triggers?
Yeah.
Like somebody says a word and it can just suddenly make you like.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. For a lot of women, calm down is a trigger.
All their lives they've heard that, no?
Exactly, because we're supposed to apparently be calm and docile and proper and poised all the time. It's almost like हमें allowed नहीं है emotion कोई और दिखाना, गुस्सा दिखाना. तो जब कोई हमें वो वाली चीज फिर से बताता है, we're like, don't ask us to calm down. जबकि it's not bad advice.
No, interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when you sometimes in moments in your life, have you found yourself gaining power, like feeling like you're in control,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So, and you feel, have you ever felt that you've used that power incorrectly?
Oh, that's tricky.
You know?
That's tricky.
In some way or form. I'm saying not morally incorrectly,
Not
but I'm saying
morally,
like
but
in a way where when you were shortchanged earlier, now somebody else because of that might have been shortchanged, but this time you're in power.
yeah. No, definitely could have
है ना?
done
I'm
that
sure,
for
like
sure.
we've all, yeah,
We're all humans at the end of the day.
yeah.
Which is why it's easier to forgive. Like, it's important for us to learn how to forgive ourselves also. It's interesting. आप philosophy पढ़ते हो? It looks like you do seem the kind that who would enjoy reading philosophy a lot.
Yeah, I enjoy reading. I read a lot.
What do you read?
All kinds.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which was the last book that you picked up?
The last one I'm reading right now is a Japanese mystery novel. Very
Oh, wow.
classic fiction. I just want to do,
You enjoy fiction?
sometimes- Yeah, fiction, non-fiction. But fiction, a lot of fiction.
Hmm.
Yeah. Some great writers, man.
Agree.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite author? Very difficult to pick one, actually.
Well, actually, recently, my latest, I think, article would be Han King. I just mentioned her in that rapid thing we did. I read a book called Greek Lessons. I think it's beautiful. She won the Nobel Prize last year
Wow.
in literature. She wrote a book called The Vegetarian, which is very, very famous. Yeah, I think that should be read by a lot of people here.
Great recommendation. I think people
Yeah.
always love to be recommended some good stuff.
Yeah.
I would
And
think
Arundhati Roy,
Arundhati Roy is, of course. Yeah, brilliant.
brilliant.
I would think कि जब मैंने आपसे question पूछा, you would, take the name of some poem book or something that you would probably read to your daughter.
No.
No?
Right now, we make up poems.
Doctor and baby. What's your equation like with her?
It's beautiful. Yeah.
What do you like doing best with her? Do you like to play with her? Do you like to put her to sleep?
Everything.
yeah.
Everything. As much time as I can get. Yeah.
Hmm.
It's total playtime.
Do you ever think about the time when she'll grow up? Like, does that fear and security it has creeped in yet?
The fear is there. That's why I don't think about it.
Fair enough.
Yeah. It's going to happen. It's fine.
Do you think you'll be a protective father, chill father,
I don't know.
cool father?
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
No.
Yeah,
But
I'm
if you had to
learning.
take a guess, basis your personality.
I don't know, because the thing is, we end up playing so many characters in life that you play out every situation in different ways.
Yeah,
And so I don't know which part is gonna, evolve into what.
true.
Yeah.
But looking at her, do you think you'll ever be able to scold her?
Sure, yeah. I
Yeah.
will. Yeah. If she's done something wrong or awful, I might. I don't know.
Fathers usually they just can't. They melt.
Yeah. But they shouldn't.
They shouldn't.
Yeah, they shouldn't. I mean, I'm saying this so confidently. I probably. Yeah, but.
Cut to Ali Fazal being captured,
Yeah.
just
Yeah,
going
yeah.
gaga over the daughter.
Oh God. बस करो अब ये शीट ही मतलब
चलो ठीक
सड़
है, अब
गई है
end
बेचारी
कर
शीट
देते
is
हैं.
screaming
It's not screaming.
saying shut this
Why?
because I'm bored in my head listening to me.
Oh, you're bored listening to you.
Yeah.
Does that happen often?
Not to say anything to you,
Huh.
but just me. I'm like, it's too much.
Who do you like listening to in general?
Mehdi Hasan,
Hmm.
मतलब जगदीप सिंह,
Wow. Sufi playlist?
सूफी भी है.
Huh.
Yeah. आजकल Iranian music I'm loving.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, we're just going to ask you two things and then
Okay.
we'll allow you to depart from this place.
We.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay. So, this is called Uncomfortable Truths. Okay.
What the hell was the last 45 minutes?
Were you uncomfortable? That is mean of you
It's
to
all
say.
personal questions. एक घंटे से तो मैं वही हूँ ना.
आप
यूं
uncomfortable हो
कर
रहे
रहा
थे?
हूँ, यूं कर रहा हूँ. All my like best foot forward and all, like, it's all, this is uncomfortability. इसी को
But
कहते हैं.
why?
भाई, this is us talking about ourselves.
Hmm.
Like, are you kidding me? We're in the business of you don't reveal yourself.
Actually, मैंने ऐसे नहीं सोचा था. That makes a lot of sense. Now
Yeah.
I understand.
This is probably my last podcast. Not to again say anything on you. यार, it lands wrong. माफ करना गलती से जरा. But
Hmm.
I mean, for me, I just.
Oh, but nahi.
Yeah.
Whenever we end our episode, we ask the guest for a piece of advice that probably has held them in good stead in moments where they felt a little lost, because हमारी audience बहुत ज़्यादा young है. They're still figuring out what they want to do in life, where they want to be. Just something that kept you good.
I think trying to hone in on the skill of being able to listen to the first voice of your conscience. And that is a very, very important voice, your inner voice. Like, there is a voice. And it often gets lost because we are constantly layering ourselves with one thing or the other every day, right? Like, you get up every day and you are the best version of yourself that day, right? You'll never be as beautiful as you are today. And then life begins. Then it's like, wait, I gotta, block this. I gotta block this. I gotta block this. Or somebody just threw in a word and that word is like constantly ringing in your head, and you fight through that. As opposed to you just find that first voice and stick with it, and like power through. It's like, you remember that movie, what was that? Jim Carrey, like he becomes, what was that? He just like
Okay.
parts the traffic, man, like this,
Yes.
like
Yes.
Morgan Freeman. No, not Truman Show, man. The God Almighty, something Almighty, Bruce Almighty.
Bruce Almighty.
Yeah.
Yes, Bruce Almighty.
Oof.
Hmm.
Just that, like that
Distill
scene, right? Like
the noise. Hmm.
part the seas, Yeah. That clarity. And you don't get it every day. You're not going to get it every day, I think. But if you get it once, then there's a second time possible, I think. Yeah.
That's something to think about.
Yeah, that's, I think, something to think about. I think a lot. Do you
Yeah.
think?
I think
Like, do you ever get lost in your thinking?
all the time.
And does that only make you sad about?
I'm not.
Does the
usually-
world affect? Sorry, I'm just cut. And because it's happening, how have these wars affected you? Like, half the world is under siege,
Yeah.
right? So when we are talking, like, does it affect your work, the way you see your work now?
I think there is a sense of fear and grief that is omnipresent. And I'm just afraid that it'll become a part of our lives to the point that we'll feel it's our new normal.
It is. It has become part of our lives, you know. But like, do you ever just go back and be like, wait, I'm just sitting and talking to somebody
Yeah.
about their general life, you know, and
Yeah.
this is going to be a hot topic today, but
Mm.
you know, it's
But
like
yeah.
just 100 people just
I
got.
feel very out of context so many times.
You know?
I'm here doing my everyday, but
Hmm.
look at what's happening. And us light mein, how is this even relevant? And why is it even relevant?
I think it's relevant. No, it's relevant.
Okay.
Yeah.
How?
It totally is. It's got to be, because you're putting something out there, right? Like from that is true. You're spreading love.
Hmm.
You're pushing, you know, through emotions, in a talk where, you know, we're trying to just spread some version of wisdom or something
Yeah.
to the rest of people who can at least derive something from it,
Yeah.
or hate it.
Hmm.
But at least even when you hate something, you've listened to it,
Yeah.
and you've
And you form an opinion.
emoted,
Yeah.
you know. So job done. Whereas there's a part of the world that is not emoting already. They've just gone blank, numb,
Yeah.
you know.
How do you feel about it? Do you feel
I feel shitty, but like, you know, I think that makes us more responsible for making better cinema,
Yeah.
better stories, because the whole world is literally like on stories, right? We're
Yeah.
all like, the बुनियादें जो हैं वो उसी पे, कहानियों पे,
Yeah.
कहानियां चलती रहनी चाहिए और
Hmm.
मजा आना चाहिए यार, बस yeah, that's, you know.
ये तो है. I think everybody ends up becoming a story. We can just give it our best shot to be a story
Yeah, in flesh
worth
and blood.
reading.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have this interesting tone that you can take it to fun side, and then suddenly you do this whole like, how's it really? How's it? Child? You kidding me? If you ask me like that, I will go back to my childhood and suddenly start feeling something really like, you know. So interesting. Yeah, it's like, you should put like ICMR. Like, what is that? ASMR.
ASMR.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be
you
nice.
know,
It's the
yeah.
first time somebody's actually said that to me.
Yeah, that's you great like tonal shift.
Modulation, maybe.
Sure. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It
Thank you for
almost-
having me. I mean, that was.
No, thank you, for taking our time, for sitting with us, for talking about things that did not probably make you feel comfortable. But I guess it might be a good reflection on the people watching, because they also have to every now and then sit with their uncomfortable thoughts. Maybe they'll
Yeah.
feel like, there's an actor that we love. And if he also feels like that, then we're not too bad about it. But
Okay.
because I forgot asking about this, maybe I'll just squeeze in one last thing. A lot of people who love you and who admire you and who consume all of your content wanted to, and so there's this active, do you know about Reddit, the platform?
Yeah.
Okay, so there are a lot of threads on Reddit.
Mhm.
Okay. I was surprised and pleasantly surprised to see 99% of them just talk good things about you.
Shit. Nice.
Which is a crazy ratio, because Reddit पे कोई भी कुछ भी बात करता है, ठीक है? It is the one of the most unhinged platforms. So great stuff about you. I think it was very nice to read. And one thing that people contrasted was your character in Mirzapur versus how you spoke and how well you spoke and articulated at the Cannes interview. Did you see?
No, it
those
wasn't
videos?
Cans. It was Cans, man.
Cannes?
नहीं
Cannes नहीं
नहीं.
था. कौन सा
No,
interview था?
it was one of my first times, Victoria and Abdul ke time pe. It was my first outing in Santa Barbara Film Festival.
Yes.
I did a tribute to Judi Dench that night.
Huh.
Me, Jeff Bridges and Armie Hammer done.
I
And उस
loved
वक्त
that
मैं
interview.
नया था, मिर्जापुर पहला मैं शूट, you can see
हाँ.
my hairstyle. तो भाई मैं तो full उसमें I had gone in full like, हाँ पहला जाते हैं ना, you want to be like
And
everybody.
you aced it also morning, and you were rolling your R's also.
Yeah,
It was so
नया
much
नया सीखा
swag.
था भाई. You gotta roll your R's and all,
हाँ.
yeah, when you're talking to the Americans, because they can't understand your English
Yeah.
and all that.
Even
know,
I
'cause
was like,
the English ruled over us for 200 years, but they still can't understand if you talking proper English. It has to be, like
slanted. हाँ,
So then you're just that, right?
yeah.
कि hi यार, like यार भी निकल गया था मेरे मुंह से वहां पे, I swear. फिर मैंने कहा, क्योंकि यार has a vibe ना, उसमें रोल हो जाता है यार. तो I must have, अरे बड़ी गंद हुई थी यार, उस वक्त कोई नहीं था इंडियन वहां पे, तो मैं इधर उधर देख रहा हूँ. I was like, Jeff Bridges was there, man. So I was hanging with the dude and like just, winged
It was so cool. You were talking about
didn't know
jet lag.
कि 10 साल बाद, 10 साल, almost not 10 but 8 years later, मेरी ऐसे धज्जियां उड़ेंगी कि मेरे blonde दोस्त now they have shit on me, man, because they send me these every WhatsApp group.
Hmm.
They'll send me one because they keep writing different things on it. You know.
But that was
Yeah,
iconic.
man.
और
Whatever,
उसको
dude.
लोग उससे वो कर रहे थे, कॉन्ट्रास्ट कर रहे थे, जब आप पीछे बैठे होते हो विक्रांत मासी के, और आप अपना कुछ
Yeah,
खा
yeah,
रहे होते हो और
yeah.
उसको मार
Like
के
it's
बोलते हो कि भाई हेलीकॉप्टर बन के जाओगे क्या तुम.
You know.
बट नाइस.
Whatever.
डू दीस थिंग्स अम्यूज यू?
Yeah. If they don't abuse me, they amuse me.
Lovely.
Sure.
Lovely. And on that note, thank you so much,
Thank you,
Ali. You
Sarika.
were such a sport. Thank you for taking
You
our
too.
time with us.
Thank you. Thank you.